Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn this comparison operators vertical. Comparison operators are also called as relational operators and they are used to compare two values. Now this comparison evaluates to either true or false, nothing else. Hence, these comparison operators are used extensively in looping as well as conditional if else statements. So one such example is a variable which holds the value 24. Now in the if statement you are checking the condition. If age is greater than equal to 18, you say, hey, you are an adult. Yes, we have not covered if and loop statements, but don't worry, I'm going to create separate video on both of these topics. Okay, so let's look at each of the comparison operators and understand how they operate. So we have equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Okay, pretty self-explanatory. However, I would like to emphasize on a mistake that a lot of beginners make. Now guys, we have single equal to and we have double equal to. Okay, so equal to comparison operator uses this symbol double equal to. What is the difference between the single and the double equal to? Single equal to is an assignment operator. It assigns, in this case, let's say 30 to variable num1. Okay, but if you say num1 double equal to num2, like so. So what are you doing? You are comparing num1 with num2. So you are saying is num1 equal to num2? So output would be false. Then guys, you have not equal to. This is the symbol that you have to use for not equal to. And now you're saying num1 is not equal to num2. And that's true. So this expression will evaluate to true. Okay. Then you have greater than. Is num1 greater than num2? No. Okay. So this will return us false. Is num1 less than num2? Answer is yes. Okay. So we'll get true back. Next one is greater than equal to. So is num1 greater than equal to num2? No, 30 is not greater than equal to num2. Output would be false. Likewise, we have less than equal to. So is num1 less than equal to num2? The output would be true. So let us run this and check the output. Alright, so the first one is num1 is equal to num2? No. So we get false. Okay. For second one, not equal to, we get true. Greater than, we get false. Less than, we get true, and so on. Okay. And guys, I'm explaining all these operators in detail because they are the building block of any programming language. So you got to understand the data types. You got to understand the operators. Okay. See you in the next video.